Hi, this is Alix Paultre for Embedded Computing Design, and I'm here with Charlie Swiontek at the Murata booth at the PCIM show, and, well, talking about power, right?
Excellent. Alex, great seeing you again. Lots of things are going on with Murata at PCIM this year. I'm here this year to talk about some of the developments with the new developments and products for the AMP group between CUI, Ericsson, and Murata. But also there's a lot of things going on with Murata these days in all kinds of products. We have a brand new open frame AC power supplies that we're showing at the show. We have some updated 6-watt IGBT driver power supplies for motor drives and up to 5.2 kilovolts of isolation. We're showing new bricks. We have bricks for rail, bricks for industrial, and up to 1,000 watts for telecom bricks.
Wow. Well, you know, whenever I hear those kind of power levels, I'm always thinking thermal management. I'm always thinking, cooling, board space. How do you address those issues?
It's a lot of good science, quite frankly. The thermal modeling is really key. We start out with flow therm models on everything that we make. We use a lot of heavy copper in the boards. 2, 3, 5, 6 ounce copper is frequently used in the designs. We use base plates on a lot of gear to get the heat out to a cold plate or perhaps a heat sink. So, and in some cases, some of the smaller parts are LGA designed, so they're actually cooled directly to the PC board through the LGA pads.
Now, you're talking about the AMP group, which makes me think about digital power and makes me think about infrastructures. How's that going?
It's excellent. We're seeing a lot of growth with people wanting to use a common ecosystem of digital on the board, that they can use anything from a 6 amp part to 120 amp part, and they can use the same GUI to program all of those things between 3 different vendors. So we see a lot of that happening. And then even up to the data center level, we're starting to show rack level power for open compute up to 18 kilowatts in a 10U size chassis. So we're going everywhere from digital power at very small board level up to rack level power these days.
Very nice. And it has to be scalable nowadays.
Absolutely. If you can't talk to it, you can't get there.
So now, obviously it's at the Murata website, but go ahead and spell it out for our audience.
Murata, MURATA.com.
Excellent. And they can find everything there, I'm guessing.
Everything there, including the traditional Murata products everyone knows and well, capacitors, sensors, all those kind of fun pieces.
Well, and speaking of fun, you're one of the most fun guys I know. I'm really glad you had the time to talk to me today.
Really glad to have you here, Alex. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. And I want to thank you all, too.